Go to your web browser and look up Open Core Legacy Patcher.
Click on Open Core Legacy Patcher, Dortania.
You'll see Open Core Legacy Patcher. Click the button Getting Started. What is Open Core? You can read this document or let the presentation guide you through. On the left margin of the screen, you'll see Creating macOS Installer. Click on Creating macOS Installer. On the page Creating macOS Installers, you should see Downloading the Installer. Press the link Open Core Legacy Patcher Release Apps. You'll be sent to a web page with the latest Open Core Legacy Patcher. Scroll down to Open Core Legacy Patcher 2.2.0. Click on the arrow next to Assets. In the Assets list, click on Open Core-patcher-gui.app.zip.
Go to your desktop and open the Open Core zip file. Double-click and open the Open Core Legacy Patcher. The Open Core Legacy Patcher will install additional components. Your password may be required. On the pop-up, click on Create macOS Installer. Click Download macOS Installer. Make sure macOS Monterey is selected and press Download. The macOS Monterey installation has begun. The macOS Monterey installer will be validated and extracted. The pop-up will ask if you want to create a macOS installer, but first, plug in your USB drive. You can use a flash drive with at least 32 gigabytes, but I used an external 500 gigabyte SSD. Plug your storage device into your USB port. Your storage drive will be erased, so be sure to back it up. Click Yes to create macOS installer. Select the macOS Monterey installer. Make sure your USB drive is the only drive plugged in and select it for local disk. Click Yes to confirm your selection. Creating the macOS Monterey installer may take up to 30 minutes. The pop-up will ask, would you like to install OpenCore to the disk? Click Yes. Click Build and install OpenCore from the OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Your OpenCore configuration is being built. Click Install to Disk. Be sure to select USB disk. On the pop-up, you must select the EFI volume. Select Reboot and hold the Option key while your computer restarts. Then select Restart. While your computer restarts, hold the Option button down. You can let go of the key when you see your hard drive and an EFI boot drive on your screen. On your keyboard, use the arrow keys to select the EFI boot option and press Enter. On the next screen, use the arrow keys to select Install macOS Monterey and press Enter. The following screen is a menu. Disk Utility is used to erase your hard drive. If you have already erased your hard drive, or you are keeping what's on your hard drive, use your mouse to select Install macOS Monterey. To set up the installation of macOS Monterey, click Continue. Agree to the software license agreement. Click Agree again. You will see the Install macOS Monterey disk, but make sure you select the hard drive you want to install Monterey on. I chose to install Monterey on the Daily Hit Records SSD. Make your selection and click Continue. The macOS Monterey installation has begun. Your computer might reboot, but be patient while your installation completes. Now you should be at the Monterey login screen. Log into Monterey. If your OpenCore Legacy Patcher screen is not on, go to your desktop and click on the OpenCore Patcher icon. On the pop-up, click OK. Click Build and install OpenCore from the OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Your OpenCore configuration is being built. The pop-up will ask, would you like to install OpenCore now? Click Install to Disk. On the pop-up, choose your actual hard drive, the drive you just installed Monterey on, not your USB drive. On the pop-up, you must select the EFI volume. Another pop-up will ask you to reboot. Select Reboot and hold the Option key while your computer restarts. After your computer restarts, log in and ignore the message you're booting from a USB. Double-click on the OpenCore app on your desktop. Your OpenCore Legacy Patcher will be installing additional components. Next, click on Post-Install Root Patch and wait for a couple minutes. From the pop-up, click on Start Root Patching. Once your root patching finishes, a pop-up will appear. The pop-up will ask you to reboot, but before you reboot, eject your USB drive. Click Reboot and hold the Option key. And restart your computer. Once your computer reboots, log in and you are finished. You have successfully installed macOS Monterey 12.7.4.